Good evening, Mr. Money.
Good,
Welcome to the club. How are you?
good, good. Thank you.
How is the feeling? I think still you are in the
Yeah, that hang up
sleeping, right?
only.
Yeah, hangout. Hangout of exam or hangout of celebrations?
That meaning actually the time was like in a selected was strong. I don't know whatever maybe 11:15 I was selecting for the exam.
Yeah,
That
I
is
saw that the exam time when you passed it. I was thinking that you did in the middle of night. I
yeah,
I already knew in the last session we had it, and from your face I could read it that you have already booked the exam and you are going to appear because you were
yeah,
ready,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Actually the yeah. mm, you were saying like all the exam you were able to make it faster like that. You used to say half an
Yes.
hour to 45 minutes. I'm in that category only.
So
I
how much
actually
time
I
you take?
no, this time I took it more time because it's like for me 11:15 my laptop was gone for a task. I just took like my wife laptop there also like 15 minutes gone. So panic started that time and I was cool. Okay, enjoy like that I was doing. So that is like first 60 minutes like little here and there I was going.
Uh-huh.
Then I got the momentum like then in another 60 minutes like the people again asked me to your recording and all gone. Meaning video is not there. You have to restart like that again from journey started. I told I'm anything. You don't disturb me. Like I was going. No, no. You have to redo it like that. That
Uh-huh.
way. But I was able to finish only half an hour earlier. 3.5 hours I finished.
And in the relaxed way, not in like a rush way, right?
Meaning I was sleeping. That is the other way. I was literally sleeping. I wanted to come out from the exam like that. I went.
What made you to take the exam in the middle of night? Even on the working day, right? It was like Thursday. You're working on that.
No, Friday, right? See,
Friday.
one thing like it is a long-term view. Actually, I didn't tell you. I think actually I was appearing. I filled the form and all in earlier time. I didn't give the exam in 15, 16 time itself, 2015, 16 itself.
Uh-huh.
And it's in a long term. And these people came for audit in my application. That is the reason I got angry. I didn't write something.
Uh-huh.
Then in 20, like luckily I was trying it out. There were no audit. So okay, otherwise I might have not turned this side,
Uh-huh.
PMP
Great.
side and the CMA side. That is the background. Otherwise I'm a good boy. Like what I in this kind of nothing, I used to go faster only. But
Great.
again, whatever I can say, this is like I have not studied anything. Frankly speaking. I've seen the videos. The videos I have seen, and
So
the
you believe that thing that you don't need to read the book or something. If you watch my video carefully one or two times, first time in
yeah.
the training and second time if you will watch it with the
See,
consistency.
the trust should be there first, as you say. The trust only it should be there. There is nothing like uh, if you don't have like 10% or 1 to 10% of trust is not there, then you're out. Like
Exactly.
literally out. Meaning
You keep studying, over studying sometimes, and then nothing happens.
you have to trust as it is, as you say. Like the videos we need to go through, and like again, be cool. Definitely, you will be able to clear it, and that is the secret. That's all. Nothing great in this. And again, luckily for me, all my practical the scenarios has come like anything. And everybody say that scenario based. For me, I don't find anything scenario based. I feel uh, my classes time and whatever I have gone through, that is what only little here and there instead of Imran in somebody else name was there. Instead of money, something other name. That's all. Instead of budget, extra money they are giving like that. I resource leveling I was getting crashing and fast tracking both I got. Risk register I selected 3 times. I selected 3 times risk register in my answer. And again on the communication management plan and stakeholder management plan, almost like 10 times I have selected the same answer maybe. This is the straight answers I'm saying. There is nothing like for you if you write, not even 10 minutes. You will close it and come. That is there's nothing. I feel really I was wondering whether I have written the PMT exam with India. That is the
It's quite easier now, and the best thing
ah,
is they are not discussing why it is easier. It's not easier in that way. It's easier in that way that if you know like a tool, not the tools and techniques, like the agile part, the teams,
exactly
because the
agile
three chapters is stakeholder, uh, resource
resource
management, and communication management. If you have these three things in good way,
management.
because this is what contains all the process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, closing. So
That
if you
that's
focus on it, you can.
actually you have given multiple times, but the people were like again confusing here and there, wondering. Then yes, certainly. For me, uh, I was going literally here and there for a month's time. Then I told no, nothing working. Leave it. I will finish my office work. Then now, like Imran is calling, this is a golden opportunity. Let's not miss it. The 2 weeks, 15 like that only.
15 days of sprint.
Oh, yeah. 2 hours I was like gearing it up. There also I missed that. When question comes, I take it and do. And
And I think
I
less than 15 days you finish it. Today we had, I think, yesterday we had 11th day, right? 11th or 12th day, I think we had.
now there only I literally spent time. And again, yesterday I was taken off as you after I spoke to you that I did part. I was going through completely like an our seventh domain and the seventh edition like that, and I did whatever is that one on.
Seventh
But
edition,
that also I saw. That level I saw. I
you
just
started
like
BMBUK.
just like what is their color pictures are there?
Okay.
No, I saw it that your agile the processes right life cycle and the that
Yes, the
is
life
how
cycle is explained in a good way in 7 also.
exactly that's all. But question was there. Straightforward question was there.
Iterative, incremental.
Match the following only that and all. There is like I found like I was thinking Imran, that's all. For me, like always that time question matching, and I trust that you spend some 15 minutes that time. So that's all, this much only. And literally, whatever question I get, I didn't give like much about the length of the question. So,
Uh-huh.
okay, what is there? Go, go, like that only. And I was sure shot select the one answer clearly.
Uh-huh. So you were making sure, like I told you in the last session of us, that
That's
if
all.
you are answering, make sure you are correct. You don't need to come back.
That's all. Three times also I clicked the end session only, not review session.
Yes, that's it. Great.
The confidence actually because of my mentor in front of me there, so he gave me. I proudly say that definitely like I'm in the right place to achieve it. It is for him only I did. Because of him I did. I can say.
Uh-huh. Great. So I
And
kept pushing you and it worked.
definitely,
This
definitely it is
brain hitting what I do, does it work? Every day I hit you guys, do something.
it's like frankly speak that only worked. Outside I can act like no I did like that also, but I didn't want to open that up because uh, that is the only thing worked out for me. Yeah, do it. Somebody is with you, like next to you, somebody is sitting with you. It's like for you, somebody sitting is like not good. Yeah, make it.
Making the things easier for you. Summary, this, a small video, big
Yeah.
videos, repeat,
Actually, that's what I found it. That is the only thing worked out. Nothing. We don't need to go anything more.
right?
Uh,
Look, I always
that
say, if you are trusting, trust on me. I will take you there. If you want
I told.
PMBOK and RMBE and this book, you don't need it. Just trust me. I will give you these
Exactly.
videos. That summary, it's enough.
Exactly. And yeah, so I questions I feel I can recollect definitely everything I like whatever we have seen it only. Nothing I can say.
Nothing out of the training, right?
Uh-huh. Like Agile was there, but everything for us like we have gone through.
It's in our reach, right?
Ah, it's like an Scrum or Scrum. One team will do, then 10 teams are there. Means all the 10 teams one will come and do Scrum or Scrum. Go
So,
next.
so
Go
any
next.
formula questions?
Formula questions two were there exactly. That is on the agile based formula. That is band value is like 3,
Hmm.
and actual schedule time is 2. 3. That is 3 unit you did, and 2 only you are able to do. But actual cost budget for the cost is like 3, and you were able to finish it in within 2. That means what is your situation like that?
So it's like a logical one. You can easily answer it if you
That's
remember
all.
the formulas. Yes.
Then in the same way, on the 100 story points are there, and for each story point, you were spending $50, and you have finished $2,000. 50 story points you got the delivery. So how much is what is your situation? That is on the middle or end like that. Nothing. Just very generically they put. I was wondering what answer they are expecting. First question or second question. I told, okay, we'll select and go next like that. But after that, I was getting grip that pure shot. This is what, there's nothing. We'll go next
Just
like that.
sit like a project manager in exam. Presume yourself in the same shoes, and I think you will be able to answer it easily. If you know something which you remembered from the training, from the brief, that's it, right?
Yes. And yeah, so my luck was in your training. I got into more on civil like that and all. We went civil and the oil side that.
Uh huh.
For me, like I was thinking that to appear again in the class with the IT classes like that. Then I thought, okay, practical things are there with me. Let us try. Uh, until last moment, I was thinking on certain time, sleepy also, literally sleepy. I wanted to come out like that, and these people torturing 3 times. You do it, redo it like that only. I wanted to finish end session, come out like that. Then we did. Then finally, okay, you try. If it comes later. Otherwise, go like that only. But I was sure pass will be there. So
Uh,
then one thing I did, pass like that came. Then okay, like that I left it. I couldn't like 4 o'clock like it happened.
you are IT guy,
I
right?
suppose, yeah.
Great.
I'm a
So
pure IT.
you're right. So how would you advise others that if they want to go, like they have done the training, they have the videos, how would you advise them that if you go through this, what will be your strategy for them? How many
That,
days and how much time?
no, that the tips and tricks are there already given. There is nothing I need to add anything. 1% also extra. My mentor will say anything. Just trust him and go the way. Like the face is also already judged for you. Take it, do it.
Uh-huh.
Go for the exam. 15 days means like 15 days. Sincerely, you go through the processes. What you are advising. Like 2 hours only. There is nothing like great. In the 2 hours also, questions you solve it. And if required, you go the video, watch it. And still you are finding something, go and ask him. No,
Yeah.
then go for the.
So like what we said, 10 days for the knowledge areas and all those things, and 4 or 5 days just for your exam, and that's it.
Mm,
Close.
as you say, like on the latest exam, more on the agile. Like if you spend even 10 days, is more my personal feeling
If
is
you want, yes,
not
you can still
required.
do it. Yes.
Just as you say that the 3 processes we were discussing, right? People processes, stakeholder, risk, and procurement little. Stakeholder, procurement, our human resource, stakeholder, human resource, communication. Last 5 chapters, risk. These things only required. This, if you see, then that also you can spend 5 days. And then remaining 10 days, if you really want to spend 5 days for Agile, then you should go.
And the
With,
most amazing question everyone will ask you, which questions you solved. So what you will say, which questions you have solved and from where?
I'm getting like, meaning where I have got the training like that
Yeah, like
point.
the questions, we did questions from Rita, we did the questions from Udemy simulator, which I gave you access, test 1, 2, 3. Did you do anything apart of that, or they were enough?
See, that the third part I have seen. First time I used to ask, I read the like definitions and all I used to say. But
Yes.
in the question third also, there were straight answers were there.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but I strongly believe that that is enough. That's more than sufficient. And
Uh-huh.
be confident on your like in a video and that the you focus what he's saying. It is like focus only required. If that is there, then done
And
deal. There is
no need
nothing.
to memorize anything, right? Just
No.
simply understand it.
See, actually, there is like a fortunate is that you have given like memorable examples.
Yes.
Nothing like. I mean, we were spending time. That way only you did for us. So that
Uh,
way, able to touch it up. Like I was able to. One question, like in a sample, I remember like almost all the questions. If I see my questions bank three, I'll tell this question only came. This question only came like that. I'll tell. Straightforward, I can tell. This is what
uh,
come like came like that. I can say upfront. I can say. I can mark it also. I can and first question, like in our first thing, global organization, there only complications are more, or communications are more. It is like COVID situation. See, everywhere, like almost there also 15 questions. Yeah, you are in like in a teams are set with different countries. Like in a scenario has come. Firstly, they are asked to go for a virtual and how you will manage it like that nothing. So answer is like every week they need to come and attend physically and like a telephone call, then video call is required, virtual conferencing is required. That is the answer I selected 5 times. 5 questions came. I was wondering what question, what exam I'm writing related to
yeah, PMP is
that
much
made
easier because it's more towards agile. They change it towards agile or hybrid. Predictive,
yeah.
they are
So
going
my
okay, leave it.
my suggestion is like my to the taker is again with Imran, ask as much as practical questions in the class time on Agile side maximum. Then go for it. Nothing like here and there going and out. And Agile also like again confusion is what too many Agile processes are there. Safe Agile, BA, like BSC, like too many things. Don't confuse. He is if required, the doctor will tell what is required for your body. Like that only you have to. Only one question extra came. Scrum of Scrum. Scrum of Scrum. That is again we used to discuss. There's nothing much.
Agile will remain same. You change the packing, agile is inside the same.
So that way, like I'm like thankful, and others also like I say that through you they need to listen more on the agile. That is the only thing I can say, and
Uh-huh.
that very simple processes only that if you are helping them, then and one thing is again agile. Like before getting into, I never see that the project manager in the our agile process much. I go with only product owner and the like agile team and the scrum masters. This project manager, what is doing in between like that, I used to think. Then here I listened to you. Like there are before training, I was in the like in a different with the understanding, but after your training, I got like in a the basics clear. So that made my answers very clear to the point I hit. There's nothing like here and there. Not known. I'm confident. I don't want to put in visit or like that. But I
Yeah.
will pass.
Ah, great. That's a good news. Even and you are also above target, not like something you are lacking here. You have crossed above target line to the far distance also. So it means that you were working fine and you were confident for your answers also. So, out of 200, you said you have five for communications and thing. How many matching questions were there, and how many multiple choice?
Three.
Only three.
Three. One is for the life cycle.
Uh huh.
The life cycle is straightforward, hybrid, agile, and like predictive. What is this three things only?
Uh
And one of the graph power and trust, stakeholder side, power and influence side. Who's having more power? Call center staff, like where you will put in the grid.
huh. And what
That way.
about those racy metrics?
Matrix only I'm talking in this exactly the power interest stakeholder influence side he got it.
Uh huh.
Then, yeah, as you say, Matrix, who will be having authority to like who is accountable for the policies like that kind of no not this organization.
Accountable is only one guy, which is
Our project manager always will come in picture on a point
sponsor.
and yeah, so that the unnecessary like disturbances comes who will be the accountable to stop it. This is the question exactly was there.
Who is accountable
I
as possible?
close answer. Then these are the straight questions only. As you say, see the clue you are catching from my message. That's what.
Great. So this is the last advice from you, right? Do not spend too much time. Focus and
And
sit in the exam.
first, like go through the videos. Second, try your that the exam questions, whatever you are solving it enough. Then go for it. Don't delay for it.
Great.
you can
So
see.
you are all actually who have appeared in my training from Oman, and also your past. And the lady who referred you,
Yeah, yeah.
she's actually the safe girl. She works in safe agility also.
Who's that?
So, like Miss Lakshmi,
Okay, okay. Oh, that
your
Lakshmi.
friends, your wife's friend, she referred you to me, right?
Yeah, Jay Lakshmi. Mm.
So now it's your wife turn to be PMP, right? When
No, no.
she's planning to be.
That too. Actually, see, we both are like what happened for us. The applications went for a task, and I
Uh-huh.
told wife also like you decide it when you are feeling it. People are there with us. Now there is nothing here and there going. You decide the time, and the 15 days spent for you. You can clear it, and I will be like not saying that I will guide her this way. There is people are there. Okay, you have to go through the path what I have gone through with my mentor. Same place you can go like that. Only I
Yes,
advise.
spare 20 to 30 days maximum to relieve yourself from the schedule, and not that much enough, like 2 hours a day, 1 hour a day, depends.
Ah,
Easily doable within 15, 20, 25 days.
yes, sir. Actually, that's what. So your time and examples more if you spend and for the people on the agile, then nothing like that. You can strongly like avoid the predictive process. There is something like
Exactly.
that.
No need to go for the processes, names, input, outputs. They removed everything actually from the exam. It becomes more easier now
That's what I found.
because when
Or
we,
other way, what happens is like when the way you prepared and you made like the more things,
uh-huh.
so like an easy became for us as well. That because of you, I think I can feel. Uh, Otherwise, I used to see. For me, I'm a late pickup guy, but if I pick it, then solid I will attend.
Look, as
With
a
you,
trainer,
I
we
can.
have to teach everything, but at the last, we have to emphasize like this is the part where you have to focus more.
Yeah, yeah, but again, that is like completely changing it. Being a practitioner from my side also, I like put everything in my practice, whatever I did also. We used to confuse. Now, like I attended the training. It is not for exam purpose I attended. First, if the exam is my concern, definitely also I might have handled. But I applied the thought process and like just working it out. The document, whatever there, that is actually flow-based agile, iteration-based agile. We used to follow iteration-based agile. We used to tell that that is a better thing. Then only like we used to confuse my the sprint timing will change and all. Then only there is another option is there flow-based agile also.
Yes,
Like story points are different. We cannot break it. So we need to go through that like that.
exactly.
I think because what I am speaking is because of you. You need me to do that. I can talk to you very with you. I
It's
can
good.
talk. Yeah,
If you make the things easy for anyone, like if you want to learn more, you can teach the same thing to your wife once she is free, so you will get more confident. Go for the very
yeah,
low level example which is in your real life. If I always say, if I start giving the example from NASA, if I start giving the example from Moon or Mars, then you will always be confused because you are thinking something which happens in fantasy only, and we are the
correct.
real people. So if you take the real examples of the real world and you put yourself in that situation, that if you are in this situation, so then you are easily learning the things. Otherwise, no benefit to have those type of examples which have no relation at all with the reality, and you are still living in a, what we call it, Harry Potter's world.
Yeah,
So stay in the same world where we are. We don't need any magic, we don't need any power, we just need common sense. If
correct.
you have a little one, then it will work for you. You can go for PFP.
Thank you. Actually, there are no words to say even on this without like you like not happening. That's what I can conclude. Thanks for that. Thanks for the like.
It's most welcome. You know, when someone passes it, it feels from my heart that I
Yes.
passed. That's why I struggle more. Sometimes I think that why I am doing these 15 days of sprint, 25 days of sprint, what it will change. Sometimes people don't come on Saturday class, which you do for the question solving. Sometimes I feel bad that I should have stopped doing it. But then again, my instincts from inside said, no, Imran. If I surrender, they have already surrendered. They will also surrender.
just for the community we are doing like that. That more than that something is there. That is what it is proving it.
So even today, someone has registered for the course starting from tomorrow, and he said, "I am coming from that reference." He is in my broadcast list. He attended my training in 2018, I think, and I don't know that he reads my messages or not. So when he said that that person referred you because he continuously keep getting your messages, I said, really? He is receiving a message because I didn't know it. His name is in broadcast, but I don't know that he replies or not. So it feels good that the people remembers you in the good words. Look, money is not anything for us. Success is
Exactly.
more important. Money, like I will buy anything tomorrow and it's spent. But if you
Yeah.
want to live in the heart, you have to make the people successful.
You are there in my history, not in mind. You are there in history, in my career. Always I say this is the step. This is in the ladder. This place I used, or I have. He made me to do it in this step. I definitely do.
Yeah, keep hitting. That's the only thing I have learned. Keep hitting, keep hitting, keep hitting, and that's it.
Yeah, it worked. It worked.
Because it's not your fault. I always say the people who works in Middle East, they are very tired. They start their job at 7 o'clock. They stay in the middle of the desert. Majority of us, like who works in this Middle East GCC region, majority of our jobs are in the middle of deserts, especially if they are civil or something like this. Plus, if not, then there are long commute distances, traffic
Yeah.
jams. You are coming home at 7 and 8 p.m. and you are dealing with so different type of people, good or bad, and your brain is almost like exhausted. And if Imran asks you to study 1 hour a day, you will say, no, Imran, I have no energy at all. But again, if you just keep them connected, somehow it works. That is sparks coming over. Someone sitting on your head. Do it. When
Thank
you
you.
come home, a teacher is waiting for you.
I like in a meaning it's in community that the job has to be. This is required, and it's like not for you, for others it is required.
Yeah, great. And this journey should not stop. Now you can
Yeah,
read
I'm
the
requesting.
books and everything.
Yeah.
Plus, if you want to do
And
more certifications related to you, you can do that also.
I'm interested. That's what I wanted to check with you on that side. Like next, I will ping you separately again on those
Yeah,
also. That will be
perfectly.
another upgrade.
So, where was
I'll
the
connect with
celebration? Where was
you.
the celebration? You took your family out or something, or you are
I
very selfish? You said, no, I will enjoy by myself.
think I told my daughter that okay, you finished, fine, because the time I chosen they were not aware. Otherwise, like they Mama clear PMP like they will.
Uh huh.
I need to take just like definitely I say in agile team we used to say for celebrate small events or big events.
Yes,
These
exactly.
are
So,
big. It is
stakeholder feel
part of
safe.
yes. So I'm feeling it is for me. I'm doing something. I'll do it. I'll be
Yeah,
like
make your family happy. They suffered while you were studying. They
yeah.
stopped seeing you while you were studying. So, their contribution is also equally important for you.
Yes, sir. It is like
Great.
a wonderful thing.
Really, thank you
And
for your appreciation.
I told you that day I saw, I wanted to speak like that. I told that is like yes. That time itself I was nervous. Then I told why I'm spending studying. I saw him now go like that and I did.
Great, perfect. I'm glad you are happy. This smile makes me more happier. Great,
Good.
keep growing, and my best wishes is
I'll
always
be
with you.
in touch with you for the other
Anytime,
study.
anytime.
Definitely like I know the path as how do we go about that. I will be with you like for more time.
Perfect,
Okay.
anytime. You know
Thank
that
you.
I always reply directly without waiting, right?
Yeah. I need it. I need that the guidance and the mentorship always required. Then only
Uh
like
huh.
I'll be able to go faster. I will be in touch with you for the next.
Perfect. Most welcome. Most welcome. Now enjoy your weekend. Enjoy some time with your family. Relax, and then I'll see you for the next journey. Inshallah.
Yeah, I'll. Yeah.
Enjoy
Thank
your
you, sir.
time, brother. Thanks a lot. Take care. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.